Okay. I'll just reread the teams real quick. We've got Clayton with the Cardinals, Rockies, Mets. Brian with the Phillies, Dodgers, Brewers. Wayne with the Padres, Indians, Giants. Tracy with the Red Sox, Tigers, Royals. Joe with the White Sox, Pirates, Reds. Leo with the Astros, Braves, Athletics. Joe with the Orioles, Twins, Blue Jays. Dylan with the Angels, Nationals, Yankees. Frank with the Rays, Diamondbacks, Mariners. And Marlins, Rangers, Cubs. Okay, and here we go. Let's get into it. Good luck, everybody. I don't have my scissors with me. There we go. So we'll get that open. Into the Heritage Blaster. There's that. Okay, good luck, everybody. 72 cards total in this blaster. Okay. Pack number 1. Orlando Arcia, Brewers, Dustin May, Tyler O'Neill, Joey Votto in action, 2020 NL strikeout leaders, DeGrom, Bauer, Nola. We'll have to random that off to decide who that goes to. Adam Eaton, Miguel Cabrera in action, Chris Taylor, Dodgers, and Dylan Moore. And I don't believe we had any short prints or variations that time. Nope. Okay. So there's that. And then here is the pack number 2 of Heritage. Zach Wheeler, Mike Toshman, Gleyber Torres in action, Rockies, Ryan McMahon, Trent Grisham, 2020 AL postgame, Kyle Freeland, Michael Brantley, Nayeli Gurriel. Okay, I think this price is 400 and higher. So I believe this Kyle Freeland is a variation. So for the Rockies, there we go. Pack number 3. Michael Pineda, Joey Gallo, J.P. Crawford, Kyle Schwarber in action, Chris Paddock, Evan Longoria, Flashbacks 1972. I'll go ahead and random this off to everyone, and we'll see who gets that. And there's a Zach Eflin and Joey Votto. And no variations in that one. Okay. Pack number 4. 2020 Rookie Stars, NL, Joey Bart, Dalton Varsho, and Ryan Jeffers. This will be random to decide which team that goes to. Tim Anderson, Rafael Montero, Ke'Bryan Hayes in action rookie card for the Pirates. Who had the Pirates? Going to Joe. There you go. Luis Severino for the Yankees. Cody Bellinger in action. Josh Donaldson. Carlos Santana. And Jake Odorizzi. Nothing special in there. Okay, this is our fourth last pack. '20 AL batting leaders: DJ LeMahieu, Tim Anderson, David Fletcher. This will also be randomed off. Jeimer Candelario, Nate Pearson in action. For the Blue Jays, rookie card: Austin Meadows, Freddie Freeman, Justice Sheffield, Matt Davidson, Mike Trout for the Angels, and Mark Melancon. Anything? This is a variation, I think. 420, Matt Davidson variation, I'm pretty sure, for the Reds. And here's our third to last pack of the Heritage Blaster. Ryan Yarbrough, 2021 Rookie Stars for the Royals: Nick Heath, Brady Singer, Freddie Freeman, 2020 AL postseason: Carlos Correa, Christian Walker. There's a Ryan Mountcastle, boyhood photos of the Stars for the Orioles. Going to Joe. 2020 Rookie Stars American League: Sam Huff and Tanner Houck. This will also be randomed off to decide which team that goes to. Tyler Naquin, and the 2020 World Series Game 4. Here's our second to last pack of the Heritage Blaster. Jalen Beeks, 2021 Rookie Stars for the Marlins: Sixto Sanchez, Jesus Sanchez. Going to the Marlins, Gleyber Torres, Christian Yelich in action. 2020 NL RBI leaders: Marcell Ozuna, Freddie Freeman, Machado. This will go to the Braves because it is 2 of the 3 players, so majority rules. Here's a boyhood photos of the Stars: Spencer Howard. For the Phillies, going to Brian. There's a New Age Reformers: Fernando Tatis. Padres, going to Wayne, Dylan Bundy, and Matt Barnes. Okay, here's our last pack of the Heritage Blaster. Okay, Jamie Varia, 2021 Rookie Stars, the Rockies: Ashton Godet and Ryan Castellani. Nelson Cruz in action: Jose Peraza, Asdrubal Cabrera, Yu Darvish, Andrelton Simmons, Aaron Judge, and Byron Buxton. Nothing there. That is okay. The Andrelton Simmons, I believe, is a variation image for the Angels for Dylan. There you go. And that was all for the Blaster of Heritage. We'll go on to our opening day packs now. We have 3. Okay. Pack number 1 of opening day. Patrick Corbin.
Yo.
Mike Brasseau, Buster Posey, Mike Moustakas, Eloy Jimenez. There's an Edward Olivares rookie card for the Royals, and a Screech mascot for the Nationals. It's our second opening day pack. Steven Strasburg, James Karinchak, Future Stars, Justin Turner, DJ LeMahieu, George Springer, Anderson Simmons, and a 2021 opening day Cleveland Indians. Okay, here's our last pack of opening day. Marcell Ozuna, Andrés Giménez for rookie card for the Mets, going to Clayton. Monte Harrison rookie card, Marlins. Jacoby Jones, Jesus Luzardo Future Stars, Lander Bogarts, and Legends of Baseball, insert Ken Griffey Jr. Okay. Now onto our hanger. Probably like 10 minutes. So we just have one more hanger and a blaster of Donruss. So 10 to 15 minutes. So let's get into our hanger of Series 1. 57 cards. Okay, we'll go ahead and do this in thirds because it's a pretty big stack of cards. Okay. Hands up, masks up. Dodgers, Manny Machado, Juan Soto, Detroit Tigers team card, Josh Harrison, Jose Arena. There is a rookie card of Ian Anderson for the Braves, David Dahl, Oliver Perez, Wade LeBlanc, Slam Diego, Alex Verdugo, Patrick Sandoval, Miguel Rojas, Milwaukee Brewers, Shunya Maguchi, Jack Flaherty, Chris Archer, New York Yankees, Andrew Benintendi, and John Gray. Okay, here's our second, third of the hanger. That is a Andrés Giménez rookie card for the Mets, going to Clayton. Nick Madrigal rookie card, there we go, for the White Sox, going to Joe. James Kaprielian for the Oakland A's. Boom. Alec Baum rookie card for the Phillies, there we go, going to Brian. Gavin Lux, Future Stars. Rafael Iglesias, David Boat, John Lester, Starling Marte, and we have a light blue border of Get Up Mets Star Celebration number 250. That's pretty cool. 17 out of 50. Get Up Mets Star Celebration going to Clayton. Nice little numbered card right there. There's a Cody Bellinger insert, JD Martinez, Mike Trout, Blake Snell, Bo Bichette insert. There's a Mike Trout Platinum Players die cut for the Angels going to Dylan. Pretty cool card right there. Bo Burrows rookie card. Bo Bichette Future Stars. Jacob Junes. Eimer Candelaria. There's a Ryan Castellani rookie card. Nick Heath rookie card. Tristan McKenzie rookie for the Indians. Going to Wayne. Shohei Ohtani. Shane Bieber. Mike Full. I'm not going to try that. And Gleyber Torres. Here's our last start of the hanger. Josh Donaldson, Avisel Garcia, Michael Franco, Tony Gonsolin Gold Cup, Luis Patino, rookie, Brandon Drury, Mauricio Dubon, Ketel Marte, Javier Baez. There's a Nate Pearson, rookie card, Blue Jays, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Jesus Aguilar, Jake Odorizzi, Bryce Harper, Kirby Yates, Archie Bradley, Pete Alonso, Yadier Molina, and Ronald Guzman. So there we go. That was our hanger. Now, oops. Now on to our last product of the break. Our Donruss Blaster. These have been pretty fire, I've heard. I don't have, let me see. I'll use this. Try and just. There we go. Tweezers did the job. Don't have scissors around me. $88 cards, 8 cards per pack, 11 packs. Looking for a bunch of parallels and inserts such as the Unleashed. It's a pretty cool insert, and a bunch of other ones. Pack number 1. Here's Lucas Castillo, Keston Hiura, Francisco Lindor, Chris Paddock, Babe Ruth. Pretty cool picture right there. And our blue or purple is not a rookie, Anthony Rizzo. Nice purple insert for the Cubbies. And a rated rookie of Leody Taveras and a Yadier Molina for the Lou. I believe that's like some sort of nickname. Okay, here's our second pack. Freddie Freeman, Jack Flaherty, Dinelson Lamet, Troy Glass, and here's one of our Rapture parallels. I believe that's what it's called. The rookies for the Giants, Joey Bart, Rapture parallel, going to the Giants. That is that is Wayne. There you go. Pretty cool. We have a backwards card of Lance Berkman. Big Puma, nickname purple. It's pretty cool. Houston for the Astros. Jose Ramirez, Diamond Kings insert, and Clark Schmidt, rated rookie. Pack number 3. Got some thick card in here. Got Liam Hendricks, Raymond Laureano, Christian Yelich, George Brett. This is a thick card. We'll go ahead and do that last. There's Mike Yastrzemski, purple for the Giants. There's the Mike Trout Donruss variation. Pretty cool card right there for the Angels, going to Dylan. Jack Flaherty, Diamond Kings insert, and I believe this is a patch or a relic of Michael Conforto. So going to the Mets, and we've got a nice little blue napkin for the Mets, I believe. The Mets are for Clayton, so there you go. Pretty cool. Always pretty cool to get a relic out of a blaster. And then this is pack 4. Imer Candelaria, Sandy Alcantara, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Ryan Sandberg, and we have one of the Rapture parallels, Manny Machado, Dominators for the Padres, I believe. Pretty cool. John Smoltz, purple. Rated rookie of Tyler Stevenson, and a Josh Johnson, the Mini Apple team nickname card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 packs left. Almost halfway done with the blaster. Anthony Rendon, J.P. Crawford, Kyle Tucker, there's a Jeremy Marquez for the Rockies, Oral Hershiser, backwards, Ke'Bryan Hayes rated rookie, purple parallel, little cutting issue or something down there. Ke'Bryan Hayes, purple parallel, rated rookie, go into the Pirates. With the Pirates, Joe, awesome card right there. There's a 354 career wins nickname card for Roger Clemens, and a Nelson Cruz Diamond Kings insert. Justin Turner, Aaron Judge, Andy Pettit, Jack Flaherty, Diamond Kings, Liberty, like border, but not border because of insert, so pretty cool. Going for the Cardinals. And there's I believe, I'm honestly not too sure if this is one of our Rapture parallels or not, but there's an Unleashed Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers. Awesome card right there. Going to Brian. Love these Unleashed parallels. There's a purple, Randy Arozarena, going to the Rays for Frank. There you go. Rated rookie, Casey Mize, and Chris Bryant, the Windy City. Now we are about halfway through. Halfway through with our blaster. These honors for blasters are pretty awesome. I love these parallels. Brad Hand, Kyle Lewis, Cole Calhoun, Max Scherzer, Vladimir Guerrero, and purple, Dallas Keuchel, going to the White Sox. And there's a Juan Soto, Diamond Kings insert, and a Luis Patino, rated rookie. One more packs to go. Trevor Story, Josh Hader, Max Fried. Guy's a pretty good pitcher. I like him. Jason Giambi, and I think this is one of our Raptured parallels. Not too sure. Mike Trout, Elite Series, Raptured parallel. I'm pretty sure. Very cool. Going to the Angels. Going for Dylan. Another very cool Angels card. And here we have rated rookie of Christian Pache backwards. Purple. Christian Pache rated rookie for the Atlanta Braves. Going to Leo. There you go. There's a Castaddy, a nickname card, and a Tim Anderson. 3 packs left. Okay. See if we can pull any more bangers out of Donruss. It's been pretty good to us so far. Carlos Carrasco, Eloy Jimenez, Jose Abreu, Shohei Ohtani. This guy's on fire right now. Both on the mound and hitting. Had a great game last night, I'm pretty sure. Frank Thomas and purple. Parallel, Colton Wong. Alex Kirilloff, rated rookie. And Jeff G for the New York, Garrett Cole. 2 more packs to go. This one. Okay. Let me just check something. Okay. Marcell Ozuna. Tim Anderson. Ichiro. There's a Independence Day, I'm pretty sure. Alex Verdugo for Boston. Not numbered. Pretty cool border. Independence Day border. Alex Verdugo going to Boston. There's, I think this is either 4 or 5 of our Rapture Parallels live stream. Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Going to Dylan. That's a pretty cool insert right there. I really like that. Reggie Jackson. Purple. Parallel. Yeah, it's pretty nice. There we go. Paul Molitor and a Bryce Harper Diamond Kings. Here's the last pack of our Donruss blaster and of the break, actually. So, good luck, everybody. Let's end on a banger. Matt Olson, Kevin Biggio, Adam Wainwright, Jose Altuve, Lance Berkman, backwards, Kyle Lewis. Let's see what this is. Kyle Lewis, purple, Diamond Kings insert. Like that a lot. Going to the Mariners. Frank, there you go. Andres Jimenez rookie card for the Mets. And a Fernando Tatis Jr. Slam Diego. Great way to end it right there. That will do it for the break, everybody. Thank you for joining. If you want a picture of your cards or of your main hits, make sure to DM me. Otherwise, I'll just be stacking. So, I'm going to post 1 or 2 more breaks today. At least 1 today and 1 more tomorrow, probably. So, look out for that. And this video will go up in archives later. So, once again, thank you for joining, everybody. And have a good rest of your night.